Welcome back. Danger on the job for a construction worker in Brickell.
Yeah, he was rushed to the hospital after being impaled in the torso by a steel rebar. Let's get to Local 10's Alex Finney, who is live outside of Jackson Memorial Hospital with where that worker is.
And Alexis and Christy, a very, very frightening day on the job for this construction worker. What we can tell you right now is that he is still here in the hospital recovering, at last check, in critical condition.
Video from Miami Fire Rescue shows first responders trying to free this construction worker who was impaled by steel rebar while on the job.
Keep coming down a little bit more.
He fell into a raised piece of rebar Wednesday afternoon. Sky 10 was over the scene as rescuers arrived to that active construction site just off of Brickell Avenue on Southeast 5th Street. Crews were working on a high-rise residential building when the horrifying accident happened. Photos of the risky rescue show the critical moments as multiple Miami firefighters tried to save the victim. At one point, rescuers coordinated with the on-site crane operator to help hoist and lower the injured construction worker. We're told firefighters had to use a combination of cutting tools to free that victim. That steel rod went through his torso, but paramedics were able to stabilize the man as they rushed him to the hospital.
Okay, and so we are still working this story. At last check, like I said at the top here, that construction worker in critical condition. As soon as we do get an update, I'll be sure to pass it along to you right here on Local 10. But for now, this is the very latest live in Miami, right outside of Jackson Memorial Hospital. Alex Finney, Local 10 News.